All right, today I have a Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to switch it from photo mode to video mode and video mode back to photo mode on the Leica Q3. So let's go ahead and get started. So in my hand I have a Leica Q3 and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on by simply switching this. It's already on, so let me turn it off and pretend that it was never on, and then actually turn it back on, or turn it on in the first place, right? Right. Now, once I have the Leica Q3 on, what I'll do is I'll press the button that switches it to video mode. Now, if your Leica Q3 is in its native settings, right, and the buttons have not been readjusted or changed within the menu setting, what you'll do is you'll come up here and you'll see that there are buttons right here. There's one button right here and there is a button right there. Now this second button is the button that actually switches from photo mode to video mode and from video mode back to photo mode, and I'll show you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here and I'm going to press this button, and do you see that? It's switched to video mode, and you can see that there are audio levels at the top indicating that it's recording audio, or not recording audio, but it can detect audio now. Now you wouldn't have to have that in photo mode, that's why it is video mode. Now, to switch it back to photo, I'll simply come here and I'll press this button and it switches back to photo mode, just like that. And you can see that the bars that were on the top are no longer there. Now, in order to switch it back to video mode, boom, all right, back to photo mode, boom. And that is how you switch the Leica Q3 from video mode back to photo mode and photo mode back to video mode. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.